everyone, and welcome to the third part of the Java for Beginners series. On the previous video, we learned how to work with primitive data types. Today, we are going to look into strings. So what is a string? Well, a string is a sequence of characters. In Java, strings are treated as objects. The Java platform provides the string class to create and manipulate strings. Strings are what we use to work with text. Just as with variables, a string needs to be declared and initialized. So for this, start by typing string with an uppercase S, since it's a class, and string equals hello YouTube. Now we can print it to see that it's working. And we can see that it does. So now we're going to play a little bit with our strings. We can make string first and put u string space, and we just add a space there. String second and string third. And now, just as we added up things previously, we're going to do the same now. With string, it's called concatenating. And basically go first plus space plus second plus space plus third. And now if you run this, it says you're beautiful. We can also add here a string as plain text. Run it. Oh, well, maybe we want to add a space there too. And we run it, and basically that's how you work with strings. I hope this video was useful for you. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to keep learning with me, just hit subscribe.